Hey, this is Jason Moss of Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. I want to give you a quick update. So we've got some really cool stuff coming up throughout the entire month of October. On October the 11th, I'm really excited about having my buddy Bo Groover is going to be doing an educational session for lessons in leadership. And at that session, we're also going to be, that'll be the launch of his book as well, How to Build a Kick-Ass Culture. Really cool book and some great leadership training. And this can be anybody from, somebody that's just getting into the leadership in manufacturing to seasoned professionals. And I guarantee that you'll walk away with some actionable items for you to be more successful as a leader in manufacturing in Georgia. We do have our regular networking events, October 21st. Gwinnett networking in the morning, and then networking luncheon at Cobb from 11:30 to 1. And then we do have Advanced Control Solutions. I got to do a pre-tour with a group of folks, and it is a fantastic tour. You guys are going to love to see the robotics and automation that are available. And that is in Marietta on October the 26th. So we know that everybody's facing some challenges with workforce. And this is an easy, simple way. This is where we're going to have to go in the manufacturing industry to be able to maintain our production levels, is through automation. And these guys know what they're doing. So I'd encourage you to make plans to attend that as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call here at the office at 770-338-0051. I look forward to seeing you at upcoming events. See you there.